special marine warning for Casco Bay, coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles, coastal waters from Port Clyde, Maine to Cape Elizabeth, Maine out 25 nautical miles until 8 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Cape Elizabeth, or near Portland, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged by higher waves. Locations impacted include Old Orchard Beach, Cape Elizabeth, Portland, Shavit Island, and Kennebunkport. The following is a summary of launches. An advisory is in effect for the WNG 575 listening area. An extreme heat warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following areas in Massachusetts, eastern Franklin and northwest Middlesex County. An extreme heat warning remains in effect until 8 p.m.